Well, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I am joining Jill in her kitchen, and what better way to enjoy Thanksgiving than making a cocktail for everyone to enjoy.
I was gonna say, or having someone else make you a cocktail.
Yes,
which
you can do that too.
why I invited her over.
Well, I have a great recipe. This is a Thanksgiving punch, more like a spiced apple cranberry Thanksgiving punch. You can also make this into a mocktail. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to make the cocktail version of this. So in my pitcher, and you can do any type of pitcher, you can do a punch bowl, anything like that. In here is already 5 cups of cranberry juice. Get the 100% cranberry juice. You're not gonna wanna do the mixture or the cocktail juice. And then also to that, I'm going to add 3 cups of apple cider.
I'm good to slice these up for you?
Yes, slice those up for me.
2 apples.
Do 1 apple really pretty, so it's like just all the way down, so we have really pretty slices, like big long slices.
Is that not pretty?
Not in half. I want big long ones. Putting her to work. I'm putting her to work.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay. I mean, isn't that how Thanksgiving is, right?
Yes, basically.
In here, I made a homemade cranberry simple syrup. So what this is 2 cups of fresh cranberries, some maple syrup, some brown sugar, water. I also did star anise and then some cinnamon sticks. And you just simmer that all up until it gets nice and the cranberries pop. And then when it's done, you're gonna let that cool, strain it, and this is what you're gonna get. Now, if it gets too thick, add a little bit of extra water, strain that, and you'll get this. So I'm gonna add half of this for right now.
Chef, are you good with these? Like, is this what you were
Yes,
thinking?
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
good. Can I give a
pretty.
piece to Bubba? Are you okay with that?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Here, Bubba, have some
okay.
apple.
To this, we're gonna add bourbon. So it's about 1 to 2 cups of bourbon, whatever you want. I'm doing a cup and a half. And do a bourbon that you like to drink, I would say. It can be any bourbon, but do a bourbon that you like to drink. Okay, my special ingredient is bitters. So you can add orange bitters, cinnamon bitters, or I have this one from the Bitter Cube, and it's called Blackstrap bitters.
Ooh.
The flavor in this is cinnamon, cola nut, and nutmeg. So it's gonna add a little bit more spice. And you're just gonna do a couple drops.
This is gonna
I'm
add
saying
like a
like 2
warmth in
droppers.
there, that kind of warm flavor that I love. Am I putting these ugly apples and beautiful apples in, or do you just want the beautiful
Do the
apples?
pretty ones. Pretty ones only. You should know me by now. Okay. Also, add some cinnamon sticks. So now, really, the mixture is ready to go. Can you get me a spoon to stir it up?
Yes, ma'am.
Mixture is ready to go. We're going to add apple slices, add cinnamon sticks, add some cranberries, because it's just all pretty.
I love it. And you can freeze those cranberries so they act like ice cubes in there too, which
could.
I find myself doing
Also,
sometimes.
add some orange slices to this. I also got like the pretty blood orange.
Those are so pretty.
You can add those in. Really all you have to do is just add a couple things.
Do you know how far in advance you can make this?
You don't add the fruit if you want to make this maybe a couple days in advance. So I would say you can add the juices, add the bourbon, put it in your fridge, chill it. Then when you're wanting to serve it, I would say take it out and then add all of the other stuff. You could probably add the cinnamon sticks to it as well, just not the fruit if you're wanting to make this ahead of time.
And if you like slices like this, that's totally fine.
I'm gonna do a little star anise on there.
I love that flavor in there.
So pretty.
Oh, I love that so much.
Okay, so how to serve this, you're gonna take this out nice and chilled, ready to go. You are going to put it in, I have brown sugar cinnamon rimmed glasses.
I was gonna ask you what you rimmed. It's just brown sugar and cinnamon, that's it?
Mm-hmm. Now you're gonna fill it almost all the way full, but we're gonna do a little topper to this. You can do, I'm doing Prosecco, but if you don't wanna do Prosecco, I think ginger beer would also be really, really good. And then this is what's gonna make it a little
Prosecco girl,
fizzy.
so I'm excited about this.
And then you can do a little topping for this as well.
I love this. Are these like little sugared cranberries?
Yes, I made sugar cranberries. We can do a cinnamon stick in yours.
Do one of the raspberry or the blood oranges in yours. That's so pretty.
Yes.
Here, I'll give you a couple of these.
We'll do a little star anise.
Ooh.
Maybe a little rosemary, because I think that actually looks really cool.
Stick too. Beautiful. This is beautiful,
There you
Abby.
go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. You can find the recipe online.